Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok offline watching feature. Now to use TikTok's offline watching feature in 2026, you can download a cache of 50 to 200 videos from your For You feed to watch later without an internet connection. Now these videos are automatically selected by TikTok and are stored within the app rather than your phone's camera roll. Now to enable this offline watching feature, head to your profile located at the bottom right and then tap on this hamburger switch located at the top right. From there, tap on this setting and privacy option. Scroll a little bit down and you will find this option under cache and cellular called offline videos. Now go ahead and tap on it. You will be given option ranging from 50 videos to 200 videos. Now select your range and all you have to do is go ahead and tap on download button. Now once you do so, the application will save the amount of exact videos that you had recently chose, and that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.